This is your ICT teacher, and today I'm going to perform the task regarding to your presentations. So you know about the presentation. This is a software. We have to use it to get the audience to involve in it, to engage and show what we have to do regarding the different slides. So for this task, we need two softwares. Number one is Microsoft Word to make the evidence file. Number two, we need Microsoft PowerPoint. So already these resources are shared with you and you can open it, and after that you will go to just like double click on the presentation worksheet. So for this one, when you open it, you will find the task one. So it says that you are required to create a short promotion presentations. So import the file j226 promotion.rtf. So you know about that RTF is basically not a presentation file, even not a Microsoft Word file. It is a rich text format. So you have to first import the file in it, and there will be 6 slides. So there will be in your software. And one more thing is there, they wanted an evidence file. So first of all, we have to start and take the evidence files. How can we create an evidence file? So you have to click on start button if you see on the corner. So you will see in the left corner, so click on that, and here just type Word. So type in the word, you will get the Microsoft Word in here. I click on it and it will open. So here I double click on the blank one, and here, so this will be my evidence file. Now this is your evidence one. If you see in the presentation task, you will find that that is an evidence one, evidence two, and then there are the printouts. So we need evidence one and I need an evidence two. And moreover, I want to give a name to this file so that it will be identified. So here double click on this top border, or you can go for insert and go for the header. So right now I'm going to select a blank 3-column header. Okay, it is also most of the questions they will give you an option that use blank one, use 3-columnar, use a branded one. You will see, but most of the time you have to take, if they didn't mention anything, you can take any. But what I recommend, mostly you have to work with a 3-columnar. Why? Because here you can write your name. Like for example, my name is Wakar Ahmed, and here like ICT, my subject is an ICT, and here you can write your GR number, like for example 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here, and also you must have to make this practice that you have to create a folder on the desktop so you can easily access all of your files. So I had already made a folder on my desktop, so I'm going to save it. Click on file. So when click on the file, and it will give me the option for the save. First of all, so when the new file is there, so save and save as both are the same. So whenever you click on even save or save as, it will give you an option where to save this file. So I click on browse. So I have to locate to my desktop. On the desktop, you'll find like presentation task. I had given that. So here I'm going to save it with evidence file. And most of the time they will ask you that save it with your name or save it with your number. So candidate number, so you know about your candidate number. Like for example, my candidate number is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and my center is QA014, and so I'm going to save it with evidence file. Okay, so that's how it will be saved. So I will leave it as it is. Now going to the main task. So you're required to create a short promotion presentation. Import the file, this one, the j226 promotion.rtf. Place in text as 6 slides in your presentation. Okay, so for this one I need another software, that is PowerPoint. So I click on the PowerPoint, I click on it. So it will show you main templates, but I need a blank template. I just double click on it, and here you go. Now I have to import the file. Import means that the file is already there. If you see, I have already this file, but this is, if you see, this is an RTF file. So I have to import it in here. Okay, go to file, click on open, browse, and locate the folder which I already have created on the desktop. Okay, now here I scroll down. So here's my folder, and you will see that there's no items match in your search. Why? Because by default it will search about the PowerPoint files, but already my file, as I told you, that is in RTF. So I click on all files. So bingo, you see the files already in here. So I open it, and you will see it will be imported, and there are total 6 slides. So here it's imported with, you'll see, and check the data. So there are already 3 files on here. So after that I have imported, I got full mark. Now go for the next one. The presentation should based on a master slide that you will design. Your slide must have a consistent layout and formatting. Now we know about that. There we have a master slide. What's a master slide? Master slide is actually one content, one theme that consists when you make a changes in it. So it will be applied to all of the slides when you have it in your presentation. So I have to go in there, and also it will must contain a company logo, which is saved as this one. Let me check. So J226 logo. Yes, I do. I have this file in here. Okay, after that, your name, center number, and candidate number, automatic slide numbers. So when doing this, 3 marks for that, and set animation, and then you have to take the evidence file. Okay, let's start work. For creating my master slide, so I have to go to view. If you see in the menu bar, you go to view, and over there you will see the ribbon and master views, and over there the command is slide master. I just have to click on it. Okay, so when it's done, so you'll see the slides go to the parent, to the master one. Now here, whenever I make any change, so it will be applied to here. So you have to click on there, and after that I want to import the logo. Okay, for importing a logo, you know about that we have to go to insert, and after that I will go to the images and to the pictures, and I click this one, this device, because it's already, I showed you that this picture is on my device. And stock image, they are already done. Online images, no, I don't need it. So I already have this file, so I was click on this device, and over there again I have to go to locate my folder, and here I double click on it, and here I find the logo. I click on insert. So it's a logo, so I'm putting in here. Now many times the student will ask that, sir, how do I know that I put it on the right side, on the left side, or in the middle? So my dear students, most of the time they will ask you in the question that put it in the right side, left side, but when they didn't mention anything in here, if you see this one, the company logo will be saved with this one. So this one you have to inside it. So this time you have this freedom that wherever you want it, you can put it. So I put it here, and let's resize this one. So bingo, this is done. So this one task is done. Now after that, I have to go to insert a footer. So for the footer, if you see again, this one, and after that I will go see this one, your name, center number, and candidate number, automatic slide numbers, and then setting the animations. This is another one task. So the company logo is already there. Master slides we have already done, and your name, center number, candidate number. Now let's see how we do it. So here we go. So for the footer, you double click on it, and the date, I don't need it, so I just simply click and press the button delete. It will be deleted. You can expand this one, your name, like your name is, and after that underscore center number, you know about it, QA014, and you have a GR number, because I don't have a candidate number. But whenever you are going to perform this task by the Cambridge, when you have a final exams, so there will be a candidate number, so you must put your candidate number. Right now I just put any random number. Okay, this done. And also you can do it with the help of that I have to go to insert and go to head and footer, and here click on that, so it will be applied to all. Also I need a slide number. Okay, I need a slide number. I need this footer that will be appear on all, so apply to all. So bingo, now this is done. When it's done, so I have to see it. So again I go to the master slide and close view. So now you'll see this one. If you have noticed, it's appearing on here. Slide number 6. Now let's see slide number 5. Slide number 5. And also it's appeared automatically. If you go to slide number 3, 2, here. You see slide number 3, slide is automatically changing. So 2. Now you see this 2 is here. And if you see the first one, yes, I have all of these things. Slide number is automatically changing. And my name is appeared on here. So this is what they wanted. So for this one, we have done this thing. Automatic slide number, your name, center number is done, and company logo is done. So 3 marks for that. Now set animations on the bullets so they can be appeared one by one. And then we have to take the evidence. Okay. For this one, I have to click on my again the presentation. I will see the bullets in here. Now this is called the bullets points. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the bullets over there. I will select this text. Click on animations. Now it's upon you again, your choice, whatever you wanted. Like there are many animations are there. So like number 1, it will appear like that, and number 2, it will be appear like that. Now I want to use another one. Wait. Okay, so this one is fourth one. Okay, now appear. Now let's see this is working or not. So you have to click on this slideshow. So yes, and click on that, and that, and that. Okay, they are appearing one by one. So now taking a screenshot. You have a snipping tool in here. This is my snipping tool. You're gonna click on it, and I'll click on new and take all of this. Okay, to all of this because I want to show that animations had applied, and also I have to see this one. And after that, I have to copy on that thing. Okay, copy. And then go to my evidence file, which I have created here. Control V, or you can right click and paste. So here you go. This is your first screenshot. So after that, I'm going for another task. So this is done. Okay. So what I'm going to do, new and escape, press escape because I don't need. You may close it because right now I don't need it. Okay, so after that, this is done. So now set the slideshow so it loops continuously on the screen. So let me tell you what is the loop. Loop is actually when it is continuously repeating by itself. This is called a loop. Like for example, I have 6 slides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, it will restart automatically by 1 and 2. So how I do this one? So click on slideshow. For loop, so first of all, we had to go for the setup slideshow. So select up slideshow so that the loop, this will be by default, it will be unchecked. So I have to check this one. So after that, I have to go to the transitions. By default, it's on mouse click. Mouse click means that whenever I play this slideshow, so when I click on the mouse, so it will go for the next. I don't want it. I wanted that it will go automatically. So I uncheck this one, so I check on this one after. So you have to decrease the time, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, whatever, and also this duration. So this will be the minimum. What will be the minimum? I put it on like maybe 50 seconds and apply it all. And again, I have to check it that the slideshow, the loop is checked or not. Yes, it's checked. Okay, now let's see. So you will see that it's automatically go for the second one. If you see about the slide numbers, it's automatically changing. So that's how to apply the loop. And here you can take the screenshots and you can put it in the evidence file. So how do you do that? So you have to first click on the transitions and take the screenshot of this thing. So I have to do it, just click on new and this one, and I have to make sure that all the things are there. So what I needed this one should be after, and duration will be there, and transition is applied, and after that you know that you must have to click on the loop there. And they ask me another thing, spell check the presentation errors, save the presentation, print the presentation with 6 slides to the page. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number on all the slides. Okay, so first of all we have to spell check. For this one we have a shortcut key F7 as well, or we have to go to the clue review and click on the spelling. Here you will see this one, so you can change it, you can do ignore ones, or you can add this one. But if you want to change benefits, if you see the benefits, they have a underlined red line, that means that's wrong. So I change this one. This one is changed, meters is changed, and spell check is completed. So this task is done. After that, save the presentation. Okay, I'm going to save my presentation. Go to File. So go to Save As, and again, locating my uh, desktop, the same folder, presentation task, and after that, my name with my QA. This is my center number, QA 014, and again the number. Okay, this is a saved. Now they wanted another thing, 6 slides to the page. So 6 slides to the page, you mostly what we do that we click on a file and print, or there's a shortcut key that is a control P. But if you see this one, so we have a 2 of 6. That means that all the pages from 1 to 6 that will be printed. So here what I want to wear, so it's very good practice. You click on that and take as a PDF. Okay, take as a PDF, or you can use XPS as well. So I wanted to take as a PDF. Okay, so it will be see that all the, if you don't have a printer, it's you can make a, like for the testing purpose you can do. Okay, now go to this option, full page slides. How many slides were there? 6 slides. So when I click on it, I click on the print, 6 slides. Make sure there are 6 slides, not other options are there, vertical or horizontal. They didn't say, but I just put in horizontal. Okay, after that I click on a print, Microsoft Word, so it will ask me where do I have to save it. Okay, go to desktop, again going to my same folder, so it is my printing, no problem. I'll make it a print and a test. So I save it. Now let's check it. Let's see. Okay, where's my presentation task in here? So print test, if you see this one, the file is there, 1 2 3 4, so they are all one single page. So one page is there, 6 prints are there, evidence file is there, so that's our task is there. I hope that you will do your best to practice it. If you have questions, you can ask. Thank you. Take care. Bye.